So here you have a project here. We have a battery or a relay. We have the BBC Microbit here, and here you have a water pump. You can see it, that's a water pump. You can see it here. So it's in the water. So we have this recipient full of water. On that side we have a hose, and it brings all the water for us on this side. So I had two buttons here. I have B and A. When I press B, it should start on the motor and pour water into this basin. So I'll show you a quick example how this works. Take a look here. So it's pouring water. So let's say we have a plant here, so we want to turn for 5 seconds and pour water on our plant. This is how it works. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.